Yo, it's your boy Meets 2 times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and yo, I just got my CDLs, bro. Look, yesterday was my last day of trucking school, and I just passed my CDL test. Look, CDL A right there, man. Hey, I'm about to go to the NVA right now and get my documentation and everything filled out, but man, new things coming soon, a new chapter in my life, man. I want to thank y'all for supporting and everything, and I want to say that I'm proud of myself, man. Man, don't let nobody tell you that you can't do nothing in life, bro. Anybody listening right now, do not let nobody in life tell you you can't do something, man. If you want to do something and you put your mind to it, man, you can do it, man. Feel me? Like, y'all don't know how I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling good, man. 3 months of doing this schooling and stuff, it finally paid off, man. Whatever you want, man, put your mind to it and grind to it, man. Put your mind to it and grind to it, and you're gonna find a way to do it. Put your mind to it, grind to it, and put some time to it, and you're gonna shine to it. Yo, it's your boy Meets 2 times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of, wait for it, Meets the Preach, man. I finally found a name that I think's gonna stick. Meets the Preach, man. I like to preach, and my name's Meets, man, and you know, it's gonna help the algorithm grow on YouTube a little bit more, so I decided just to do Meets the Preach, man. But hey, man, I hope y'all woke up feeling amazing, feeling blessed, and feeling great, man. I know I did today. In this video, I want to talk to y'all. It's gonna be a quick little video, but I want to update y'all on what's going on. I know a lot of y'all like to see inside of my life. I put my life out there on the internet for y'all to see. But yeah, man, I just passed my CDL test 2 days ago. I just got around to getting this video done. But yeah, man, I just passed my CDL test. 3 long months of training, man, of school. But you know, I did it, man, and I'm proud of myself, man. I've been so disciplined with myself lately, like, even with the semen retention journey and just with everything in life, I'm attracting so much things, man. And Kevin Gates says something that really stuck with me. A lot of things that he says sticks with me, man. And he's somebody I look up to, not just as a rapper, but as somebody who, like a mentor. But he said, you know, the bees chase the flower. The flowers do not chase the bees. The flowers attract the bees. And you know, I look at myself as a flower, as a glowing flower, and the bees have to come and pollinate me. You get what I'm saying? So I attract good things into my life as long as I'm putting things back into life, you know, to better myself, you know, because that's what it's all about, bettering yourself, you know. If you're just sitting down moping all day and living in negativity, you're just gonna attract negativity. So yeah, man, I'm very proud of myself, disciplined. You know, I never really liked school, but man, I did it, man. I'm about to be on my way to making 6 figures, man. So stay tuned for the trucking vlogs. Stay tuned for the, you know, the pre-trips and all that, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna keep all that on this channel or make a whole separate channel. It just matters how I'm feeling and how my energy goes into it. You get what I'm saying, man? But yeah, I just want to update y'all on, like, man, yeah, I got my CDL, bro. I finally got a career, man. I finally found what I wanted to do in life at the moment, because I know it always changes for me, especially because, you know, when you have ADHD, or ADHD is what they say, your mind always changes. But it's probably not even ADHD. It's just probably I get bored easily of things, and I like to, you know, me as a person, I like to explore different things. I own a lawn care business. I do Amazon. I do YouTube. I like to travel. A whole bunch of things, man. But trucking was really calling my name, and you know, I really feel like I'm at a place right now in my life where I'm growing, and I want to continue to grow and elevate in life, and, you know, raise my vibration, raise my energy, and raise my frequency, man, and get closer with the one up above, God, man. You know, without him, I couldn't have done any of this, man. I really couldn't have not. You know, but through the glory of grace and through the glory of God, man, I'm here right now, on my way to 6 figures, man. And I know trucking, you may not start off with 6 figures, but the companies that I'm looking at, I know I'm gonna attract 6 figures for my first job. I just know it. I'm gonna put it out there, man. So anybody coming with that negative stuff, God got me, man. At the end of the day, God got me. And you know, you could try and throw mud on it, throw dirt on it, but hey, man, guess what? I live in positivity. I don't live in negativity like you. So change your ways of thinking, man. I'm proud of all y'all as well for everything that y'all doing in life, man. If anything you want to do, man, like I said early in the video, man, go do what you need. Go do what you want. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do nothing in life, man. You can do it. You get what I'm saying, man? I'm the first person in my family that's probably going to be making 6 figures, bro. Do you know how that good that feels? And I'm not even gonna say probably making 6 figures. I say probably making 6 figures because I'm gonna make 7+ figures. So, you know, I did a little thing right there, man. But yeah, I know I'm gonna be making way more than that. And money is a materialistic thing. And it's an external validation thing, because objects and external things are not supposed to make you happy. But, you know, money can buy happiness, things to make you happy. You get what I'm saying? Like, you always gotta find the happiness in yourself. But you could do cool ass shit with money, man. You could go skydiving, you could travel the world with money, man. And trucking is opening up a whole new door for me. Like, I get paid to drive and I get paid to travel. I love to drive, I love to travel, and I let it get paid. Give me that money, man. And money. It's like, nah, I'm not money hungry. But, you know, it's actually a job that I enjoy doing. It's not a job. I just look at it as a source of income from doing what I love to do, traveling and making money, man. So, like I said, man, do anything you want to do in life, man. Anything you want to do in life, you can do it, man. If you want to go get your CDL, go get it, man. I personally, I'm going to give y'all a little quick thing, man. I went to my local community college. If you live in the Baltimore County area, go to CCBC or go to your local community college and look for CDL training. They will pay you. They will pay for you to go through training, and you don't have to be committed to a company like Schneider or Prime or anything where if they train you, you have to stay with them for a certain amount of time or you got to pay it back. So if you don't have the funds right now, but you really want to get out there and trucking, go to a local community college, man, and get your license. And they offer a whole bunch of grants for a whole bunch of other things, man. The trucking industry needs truckers right now, man. There's other industries that probably need it as well. I don't know how it goes with like nurses or like you know, electricians and other trades like that, but you can get grants, man. So yeah, look at your local community college, man. And if you really want to do something, put your mind to it, man. Because I've been saying I want my CDL for a long time, but I finally put my foot down. And I've been waiting since around like August, because I applied for this grant in August. But, you know, I'm here right now, man. Everything takes time. What comes fast do not last. You get what I'm saying? What comes fast does not last. A slow, steady process always wins the race. A slow turtle always wins the race, man. So, you know, when you take things slow, things grow. When things come fast, they don't last, man. Man, I'm feeling good today, man. But yeah, on my way to getting that trucking money and all that, man. It's a little bit windy out here, so I'm gonna finish up the video like this, man. But I love y'all. Hope y'all feeling amazing, feeling great, and feeling blessed, man. And new ventures and new chapters starting now, man. You know, I'm flipping the page in the book. You know what I'm saying? One more thing, man. You got this. I'll catch you on the next video, man. Gang.